can't become rich because they don't have the strong desire to become one. That's because the times changed. We are living in a 1 versus 99 society. We shouldn't try to change society, but change ourselves first. There are people who firmly believe that they can't become rich. One of the reasons why they can't become rich is that they don't think about becoming rich. They don't have the passion or strong desire to become rich, and that's why they can't become rich. Of course, not everyone can become rich just by thinking about it, but still, the possibility of those wanting to become rich becoming rich is high. But the possibility of those who think for certain that they can't become rich actually becoming rich is 0%. How can they become rich? That is why it is important that you dream, desire, and strongly wish to become rich. And there are those who say, even if I become rich, I need just 5 million or 7 million Korean won per month, and I don't need to earn 50 million Korean won. But the problem is the middle class. The jobs that give you 3 million to 7 million Korean won are hard to find. Before farming equipment was developed, thanks to the development of farming technologies, people were able to live if they had the land to do farming manually. But now, since farming has become mechanized, we use tractors and combines, and so it has become difficult for people to become the middle class by farming a small piece of land. That's why you hear all the time that the middle class is collapsing. This is because the times changed. Society is becoming polarized like that. That is why the gap between the rich and the poor is getting bigger. So you need to swim with the tide. We are living in a 1 versus 99 society, which means that you have to be prepared to become that 1% or live as the 99%. I'm not saying there is no problem with society. There certainly is. It's not desirable, but that's where we're headed. And since capital income is much bigger than labor income, we must have capital, which will serve as the means. And if we have it, then we can become very rich. If we don't, then we will fall into extreme poverty. So now we need to make a choice. What will you do? Do you want to become 99% or 1%? Right now, you have to think about becoming rich yourself. You should not try to somehow reshape the future, and you should change yourself first. You should not just sit and complain about society. So it is important to swim with the tide and think that you should become that 1% quickly.